Your car can build wealth like a Roth IRA investment. This is how to beat the dealership repair tax and turn your aging car into one of the smartest financial moves you'll ever make. While everyone else hemorrhages money on car payments and unnecessary repairs, you'll be building wealth by treating your vehicle like a wealth-building investment using total cost of ownership principles. Let's start with a shocking reality check. The average new car payment has reached $767 per month in 2025, according to Experian's latest data. That's over $9,200 per year flowing out of your bank account, and we haven't even talked about insurance, maintenance, or the silent wealth killer that nobody wants to discuss: depreciation. Your shiny new Toyota Camry or Honda Accord loses 20% of its value the moment you drive it off the lot, and a staggering 60% within the first 5 years. We're talking about losing $4,334 per year just to depreciation alone. Now here's where the dealership repair tax comes into play, and why understanding it becomes crucial to your financial freedom. Dealerships don't make their money selling new cars, they make it in the service department. When you walk into a dealership for repairs, you're facing labor rates between $115 and $135 per hour, compared to independent shops charging $85 to $110. But it gets worse. Dealerships mark up parts by 38% to 42%, while independent mechanics source the same OEM parts without that massive markup. Hit that like button and subscribe for more honest automotive insights based on actual data. Let me give you some real numbers that'll make your wallet weep. A simple oil change at a BMW dealership costs $150 to $200, while an independent shop charges $100 or less for the exact same service. Need brake work? Dealerships charge $800 to $1,200, while independent shops handle it for $600 to $900. For major transmission work, you're looking at $5,000 or more at the dealership versus $3,000 to $4,000 at an independent shop. This isn't about quality, it's about overhead and profit margins. But here's what really drives me crazy about the dealership system. Service advisors are essentially salespeople in disguise. They have quotas to hit, and if they don't push enough additional services, they lose their jobs. That's why you go in for a check engine light and somehow walk out with recommendations for an oil change, windshield wipers, and a transmission flush you didn't need. The most insidious tactic involves bundling unnecessary services to obscure individual costs, then inflating labor hours. They'll estimate a repair takes significantly longer than it actually does, charging you for phantom hours of work. Meanwhile, independent shops scored high marks for willingness to negotiate and offer discounts, while dealerships received dismal scores in Consumer Reports' Repair Shop Survey. Now let's talk about the Roth IRA approach to car ownership, because this is where the magic happens. Instead of viewing your car as a depreciating asset, think of it as an appreciating investment in your financial future. The secret lies in understanding the sweet spot of vehicle ownership, that golden period after the steep initial depreciation but before major systems start failing. The average age of vehicles in America has reached a record 12.8 years in 2025, according to S&P Global Mobility, with 289 million vehicles in operation. This isn't just a statistic, it's proof that modern cars are built to last far longer than our grandparents' vehicles. Consumer Reports experts have found that the true financial victory comes when you stretch ownership to 200,000 miles, and many vehicles today easily hit 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Here's the math that'll change how you think about cars forever. If you take that $767 monthly car payment and invest it in a diversified portfolio, earning 7% annually, you'd have $132,000 after 10 years. Meanwhile, maintaining an older, paid-off vehicle costs an average of $1,234 per year, according to AAA's 2025 study. Even accounting for higher repair costs as your car ages, you're saving over $3,000 annually compared to making new car payments. The key shifts from reactive to proactive maintenance. Spending $1,500 annually on comprehensive maintenance, high-quality fluids, suspension work, paint touch-ups, keeps your paid-off car running like new. A transmission oil change might cost a few $100s, but a new transmission costs $3,000 to $5,000. Fixing a paint chip costs $50, but replacing a rusted door panel costs $800. Maintenance isn't an expense, it's a wealth preservation strategy. Hit that like button and subscribe for more honest automotive insights based on actual data. This is where the DIY revolution becomes your secret weapon. The DIY automotive repair market has exploded, growing at nearly 6% annually since 2020, compared to just 4.29% growth for professional services. In 2024, 47% of vehicle owners performed basic maintenance tasks themselves, up from 34% in 2019. The DIY market is projected to reach $12.04 billion by 2029, and owners who follow repair manuals save an average of $3,993 annually. But you don't have to become a master mechanic overnight. Start with the basics that offer the biggest savings. Oil changes, air filter replacements, brake pad swaps, and fluid top-offs can all be learned from YouTube videos, iFixit guides, and Haynes manuals, saving you hundreds annually. For more complex work, find a trusted independent mechanic who'll work with you on sourcing parts and explain what actually needs fixing versus what would be nice to have. Speaking of independent mechanics, here's your roadmap to finding the right one. Look for shops that have been in business for several years, with good Better Business Bureau ratings and strong online reviews. Seek out ASE, certified mechanics who demonstrate proven expertise through standardized testing. Ask friends, family, and coworkers for recommendations. A good independent mechanic will show you the problem, explain your options, and never pressure you into unnecessary work. They should also be willing to use aftermarket parts when appropriate, which saves you 20% to 40% without sacrificing quality. The warranty myth needs to be demolished right now. You do not have to use the dealership for routine maintenance to keep your warranty valid. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, enforced by the Federal Trade Commission, protects your right to have routine service performed anywhere, as long as the work meets manufacturer specifications. Oil changes, brake replacements, tire rotations, all can be done at independent shops without voiding your warranty. Right to repair legislation is finally catching up to consumer needs. Massachusetts voters approved automotive right to repair by 87.7% in 2012, and Maine passed automotive right to repair legislation in 2025. The Federal Repair Act has 83% public support across party lines because people understand that competition drives down prices and improves service quality. Here's a controversial truth that dealerships don't want you to know. Independent mechanics often provide better service than dealerships. They build their reputation on customer relationships, not corporate quotas. They typically spend more time diagnosing problems correctly the first time, rather than throwing parts at symptoms. And when something goes wrong, you're dealing with the owner or a long-term employee, not a rotating cast of service advisors. The 50% rule should guide your major repair decisions. If a single repair costs more than 50% of your car's current value, it's time to consider replacement. But for most repairs on vehicles worth more than $5,000, fixing beats financing every single time. Let's talk about the vehicles that make the best Roth IRA cars. Toyota and Lexus topped Kelley Blue Book's 2025 list for best resale value, while Toyota, Honda, and GMC made the longest-lasting brands list. These vehicles hold their value while providing reliable, cost-effective transportation well into their second and third decades. On the flip side, avoid luxury vehicles that depreciate rapidly. The Maserati Quattroporte and BMW 7 Series lost over 60% of their value in just 5 years. Luxury sedans and SUVs consistently show the worst depreciation rates, making them terrible investments for the Roth IRA approach. Your action plan starts today. First, if you have a reliable car that's paid off, commit to keeping it for at least 5 more years. Second, establish relationships with trusted ASE certified independent mechanics in your area. Third, learn basic maintenance tasks using resources like iFixit and invest in quality tools. Fourth, create a maintenance fund and contribute monthly, treating car care like any other investment account. The Roth IRA car philosophy isn't about driving a beater. It's about maximizing the return on your transportation investment using smart total cost of ownership calculations. While others get trapped in endless cycles of car payments and dealership service bills, you'll be building wealth, maintaining mobility, and proving that the smartest financial move isn't always the newest or shiniest option. Your future self will thank you for every dollar you save and invest instead of spending on unnecessary car payments and inflated repair bills. Hit that like button and subscribe for more honest automotive insights based on actual data.